Dear viewers, welcome to Murads kitchen. Now I'm going to show you how to make Cornish pastry. Let's start with the Cornish pastry dough. First of all, we need flour. Then we're going to add some butter. Pinch of salt. And we're going to need 1 egg beaten. Now we're going to mix them on our hands. That's our dough is nearly ready. We're going to need a little bit more, and then we're going to leave it in the fridge at least for half an hour to an hour. That's our dough is ready. Now we're going to cover it with the cling film and we're going to put it in the fridge to rest. Viewers, now we're going to mix all the ingredients together. We got swede, we got potato, we got beef, we got onion, and we're going to put some salt and pepper. We put the beef, I put potato, I put onion, salt to taste, and lots of pepper. Now we're going to mix them all together. Viewers, that's our dough. We let it to chill for an hour. We take it out now. Now we're going to roll it. Viewers, we're going to egg wash it on the sides. Now we put our mixture in the center. Then we're gonna put it this way. We're gonna put them, press them. Now I will show you how to crimp it. We're going to use a hand. Viewers, we're going to put a little hole in the middle. And we're going to brush it with the egg wash again. Now we're going to make the rest of them. Viewers, now put them in a baking tray and bake them first 10 minutes for 200 degrees for first 10 minutes. Then reduce it to 180. Do it for another 40 minutes. Then it's going to be ready. Viewers, my beautiful Cornish pastry that just come out of the oven. And they look pretty and beautiful. Enjoy and bon appetit. Look at that, how cute they look. Let's try one of them. Viewers, let's get the moment to do. Lovely flaky. Look at that in the middle. Look at that, how soft, beautiful, and the crumbly it is. They're beautiful, gorgeous, yummy, delicious Cornish pastry. Enjoy and bon appetit.